Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back with the 1998 Mitsubishi Eclipse GST. And today we're going to be switching out these aftermarket taillights with some OEM stock ones. These red ones just look great. I think they match the car perfect. The OEM ones were good for its era, but let's go ahead and return it back to factory the way Mitsubishi made them. Alright you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Here we are at the back of the Eclipse. You can see these aftermarket taillights right here. They have a bunch of individual LEDs in them. They're just black. They do match the car a little bit, but I do prefer the OE Mitsubishi ones. So we're going to go ahead and just remove these aftermarket taillights and install our factory Mitsubishi Eclipse taillights. Alright, let's go ahead and get this going. First thing you want to do is pop the hatch here with our newly installed shocks, which are working good. We will have some interior panels here to take off. This one I kind of unclicked already. You will need to take this main one off in the middle. There should be some access slots right here. Simply just got to pull up on all these tabs and repeat this process for the driver's side over here, but this will pop off and gives us access to the nuts that hold these light assemblies on. Okay, once you got all the tabs pushed up on here, just remove the cover just like that. Repeat that process for the driver's side. And as these are aftermarket ones that are on here right now, there's some aftermarket stuff on here like these connectors. We'll just cut these zip ties and undo that socket right there. But it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them, I believe. 7 of those bolts that hold on the left hand and right hand, and there should be a handful that just hold this center garnish on right here. Just look for them. They should be here, 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 right here. So just remove them all. Remove all these bolts that hold the taillights and center garnish in. Got all 7 of the bolts removed here out of the taillight. Just gonna start moving it out, and if you see any connectors connected, just disconnect them, and that should release this driver's side taillight. Alright, we got that left taillight popped out. Let's go ahead and put in our OEM factory left taillight. That is looking awesome. We have the driver's side OEM taillight installed. Just look at that, how it came from the factory. Here's the aftermarket one. There is the factory one. Looking good. Okay, let's change out the center garnish here and the right tail light, and that should put us looking at OEM taillights for the Eclipse. Alright, let's get them installed. We got the center and passenger side taillight off. Going to go ahead and install the OEM center garnish and the OEM right hand taillight. Alright, let's go ahead and get them installed. We have the OEM taillights installed on the 98 Eclipse GST. Looking good. Nice and shiny from when we restored them. Did a little cut and polish on them. But man, those lights sure do look good. Man. Alright. The Eclipse is coming along good. Stay tuned for more. And as always, Monday to 6. Out.